Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to find Spectrum TV app on Samsung TV, search, install steps and fix missing app. To find and install the Spectrum TV app on your Samsung Smart TV, press the home button on your remote, select apps, use the search icon to look up Spectrum TV and click install. How to search and install the Spectrum TV app. Press the home button house icon on your remote control, then use the directional pad to scroll left and select the app's icon. Select the magnifying glass slash search icon located in the top right corner of the screen. In it, type Spectrum using the on-screen keyboard. Spectrum TV will usually appear in the suggested results after typing a few letters. Then select the app from the list and click the install button. Once downloaded, click Add to Home. This places a shortcut icon on your main menu bar for quick access later. How to fix a missing or not working Spectrum TV app. First, verify TV compatibility and region. The Spectrum TV app is only compatible with 2012 and newer Samsung Smart TVs, and your TV's region must be set to the US. Perform a cold boot soft reset. Press and hold the power button on your remote control for 5 seconds until the TV turns off and restart with a Samsung logo. This clears cached memory without deleting your data. Now, unplug the TV power cord from the wall outlet, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Then go to Settings, in it go to Support, then tap on Software Update and click Update Now to ensure compatibility fixes are applied. If the App Store behaves erratically or is entirely missing, reset the Smart Hub interference. To do this, go to Settings, then go to All Settings, click on Support, then go to Device Care, tap on Self Diagnosis, and then click on Reset Smart Hub. Now enter your PIN, the default is 0000. Note, this will sign you out of all your TV apps. Bypassing the issue with streaming devices. If your Samsung TV is an older model or the app remains unavailable, you can bypass the Samsung operating system entirely. Plug an external media streaming player into the TV's HDMI port. The Roku streaming stick, Amazon Fire TV stick, or Apple TV 4K natively supports the Spectrum TV app and offers smoother performance. Troubleshooting and compatibility. For app not showing, the Spectrum TV app is sometimes unavailable on newly released Samsung operating systems or older TV models. If your TV does not support the native download, consensus on Reddit suggests connecting an external streaming device like a Roku or Apple TV via HDMI. For connection issues, if the app is already downloaded but fails to load properly, check for firmware updates or try cleaning the cache in the Smart Hub app settings. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.